Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the dark theme on the single application on your iPhones in 2021. Very easy and simple to do. It's also the same way if you want to change it to the light theme. It doesn't really matter. Anyhow, if you just head over to the single application and open that up, all you want to do is go to your profile picture or your account's name in the top left corner here. Click on that, then just click on Appearance. And you'll see here under Theme, it says either it'll copy your system theme, which is what it's doing for me right now, as I have dark mode on my iPhone right now. But if you didn't, you can go ahead and click on light or dark mode here, and it'll switch between those if you want to switch to either of them. Very, very simple and easy to do. Anyhow, once you're done doing that, you can just back out and you'll be good to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to enable the dark theme or the light theme on the single application. If this video does help you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.